So the big question is, what's inside that box? What's going on, guys? George with another video, and it feels so good to be back home. If you guys didn't know, I was actually out at Overland Expo out in Flagstaff, Arizona, and I was able to hang out with a lot of friends and just have a good time. Overland Expo is the type of place where you get to hang out with a lot of people that you've been following on Instagram, whether they're influencers or whether they're just subscribers or followers, or just simply just friends that you've known for such a long time that live out of state. This is a place where we hang out, we have good drinks, good food, and just have a good time. So I'm back at home, finally. I say that because the weather was not cooperating. As you can see, my head is completely sunburned. It was crazy. It was cold. At the same time, it would get hot. And it was just crazy to experience. But overall, a great time. Now that I'm back home, this Tacoma is gonna go through some serious changes. I did talk to a lot of vendors that were willing to collaborate when it comes down to videos and stuff like that. So product is coming in this week. I cannot wait to share with you guys what's in store for this Tacoma. Speaking of packages coming in right outside my house, there is a package waiting for me. But before we unbox that, I want to give you guys a little preview of what Overland Expo is all about. I've been to several expos before in my life, whether it's SEMA, whether it's an import night, whether it's whatever expo it is. This is by far the best expo I've ever experienced. So enough said, let me give you guys a little taste of what Overland Expo was all about. What's going on, guys, and welcome to Overland Expo. It is my first time here, and this place is cracking. All the big vendors, all the little vendors, everybody is here just having a good time. I'm gonna be showing you guys around, and we're gonna be seeing what types of new products are out. We're gonna be checking out some rigs, hopefully some solid rig walkarounds, and we're gonna see who we run into. Enough said, let's go. Alright guys, so this is probably one of the most exciting parts of this vlog. I'm gonna go meet with Bobby. He's actually the owner of CVT Tent, and I'm gonna be getting my new CVT tent today. It was a little risky because I actually came all the way out here without a tent or a place to stay, and yeah, if it wasn't for Bobby that's bringing the tent all the way from Bend, Oregon, I think I would have been screwed. So big shout out to CVT, big shout out to Bobby. Thanks, man. Check out this crazy trailer that these guys brought. It's ginormous, super stoked. This is gonna be my first brand new tent, and I'm pretty stoked. So let's go meet the owner, and let's go check out the new tent. This is what I mean by CVT having the best customer service, and I'm not just saying this because I own their product. As you can see in the background, they are installing a brand new CVT tent on that Jeep, and Bobby, which is the owner, is hands-on. He's helping these guys install it, and man, that just tells you guys what type of customer service CVT offers. right, thank you guys so much. Thanks, Bobby. Thanks, guys. All right, Tuan, tell me what you think of this new CVT tent, bro.
It's nice.
It's nice. You like it?
Yeah. You got white sheets. Make sure you don't get that dirty. Yeah, that's a nice pad though.
Hop in, bro.
Hey.
Do your thing.
Oh,
Hey, you're gonna break it, man.
why is it moving so much? The ladder, dude. Here we go.
All right, take two, guys.
Take two. All right. All right.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Real nice in here.
Alright, so as I was walking, I noticed that people were following me. I thought they were fans, but it's actually Drew and his cousin. They're rolling deep with their Super 73s. Hey man, that's a life. Alright, so on this part of town, we do have the family, we do have our good friends at Ridge, we do have the BTX Wheels, and most of the guys are here. The guys from OC Overland, JH Garage is here, and everybody's just out here having a good time. Yeah. Just made it out to the first viewpoint here at Schmeasley Hill. It's beautiful out here. It's a little windy. I was trying to get some solid drone shots, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But check out this view. So while on the trail, we saw to our right side a crazy looking cave. So we're gonna go check it out, and we're gonna see if Marvin can call this place his new home. The reason why I say that is because Marvin is a big teddy bear, one of the nicest dudes I've met. A solid teddy bear definitely needs a solid cave. Today's episode of Cribs, we are visiting Marvin's new home.
Check it out, guys. Hey guys, welcome to my crib. So come in, man. I want to show you guys around. Check it out. So I went with the open layout, open concept. You know, I don't like being restrained. It's pretty cool, huh? So upstairs I've got my hot tub, and you know, that's where I get cleaned up. And yeah, man, check out the views.
As you saw in the video, not only did we hit Overland Expo, but we also hit some trails, and I was explaining to Gisela like what the whole trip was about, and it's just one of those events that you just have to be there to experience it. And for those of you guys that attended Expo, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But for those of you guys that are watching and have not attended Overland Expo, do yourself a favor and hit up Overland Expo next year. So the big question is, what's inside that box? It's not meat. Packaging, pizza film. Dudes, check these out. Ho ho ho!